How to fix heating issue on your iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is go and tap on your settings. Now scroll down and tap on the option called General. Once you tap on it, scroll down again and tap on the option called Background App Refresh. Once you tap on it, make sure that the background app refresh is off. And you can also individually choose any app that you want to turn off the background app refresh. If you do this, it will minimize the heating issue on your iPhone. Similarly, what you can do next is you can go down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and tap on Reset All Settings, which will automatically restart all of your app and fix the issue. Another thing what you can do is you can go and check if your software update is updated timely. Go in General and tap on Software Update. As you can see, my iOS is updated, so there is no problem here. But make sure to update it if you have not updated. In this way, you can easily fix heating issue on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.